Ko Sophie toku ikoa, kei te whare toka o Otago, ahau I mahi ana. Hi, my name is Sophie and I work at the Otago Museum, but right now I'm working from home, which is not quite as fun as working in Tūhura, our science centre. So today I'm going to show you a little science experiment we can all do with something that we probably have around our house, paperclips. Now paperclips are made of metal, so normally if you put them into water they'll sink. However, with a little bit of science we can make them float. By placing the paperclip gently on top of the water, we're making use of something called surface tension, which prevents the paperclip from sinking. Water molecules have a slightly negative charge on one side and a slightly positive charge on the other, which means that water molecules sitting next to each other are attracted to each other, a bit like they are holding hands. Because the molecules at the top of the water have fewer other molecules around them, they are holding hands more tightly, which causes surface tension. Now with just a little bit of force, you can overcome the surface tension and the paperclip will sink. So it is not a very strong force, but it is an important one. Some insects are able to take advantage of surface tension and can use it to move across the water without drowning. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of Otago Museum online at our website. We hope to see you back at the museum when we can, but for now, take care.